Aloe Soothing Day Cream. For sensitive skin. Soothing. Vegan. What does it do for you? Our Aloe Soothing Day Cream is like a little hug for sensitive skin. Gently smoothing its way over dry patches, leaving skin that feels refreshingly cool and beautifully soft. Breathe in, breathe out and soak up the wonders of our Aloe Vera moisturizer. It's enriched with community fair trade aloe vera from Mexico. Spiky on the outside, gentle soothing gel on the inside. Our Aloe Vera Moisturizing Cream formula is a handy one to have in the bathroom cabinet, especially if you're looking for a soothing addition to your dry skincare routine. It feels oh so soothing as it glides on, and skin will feel nourished in no time. Like many of the goodies in our Aloe range, the Body Shop's Aloe Day Cream is kind, caring and loving towards dry or sensitive skin types. It's got your back when dry areas become bothersome or your skin is feeling less than impressed. So make room for one more and start your day right with our clever Aloe Moisturizer. A kind, caring and gentle formula for sensitive skin. Enriched with community fair trade aloe vera from Mexico. Use daily for healthy looking skin. How to use. 1. Start off with a gentle cleanse. Our Aloe Calming Cream Cleanser should do the trick. 2. Next up, tone your skin. Give our Aloe Calming Toner a go. 3. Bonus tip. Keep those lips and eye areas hydrated with our Aloe Soothing Eye and Lip Contour Care. 4. Now massage our Aloe Vera Moisturizer onto your face and neck every morning.